Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. This is Kyra and today I am going to be walking you through another of our Christmas daily tutorials, and the page we are doing today is Christmas crafting. And you'll probably notice that my pages are a bit curved because the spine of my book is too small, so it's getting a little too full, and this will continue as we go along, but I'm just going to try to work on anyway. So let's go ahead and dive right in and get started on this first page. And to do that, I am taking this letter that I had from our Letters to Santa video, and I'm just using the front part of the letter that has this pocket attached to it. Both of these pieces are from the traditional Christmas kit. And then I have a couple of our stamps up in the corner and this little ephemera piece down in the lower right corner. But otherwise it's pretty simple. You can use any letter you have. This is just what I had left over. And I'm adding a bit of glue to it to turn it into a pocket on the bottom half of the page. And I went ahead and left it kind of hanging off the page because I sort of like things sticking out of my journal, but you can go ahead and trim that if you want it to be flush. And then since this page is all about crafting, I'm just going to be adding a lot of crafting materials that I can use in later projects. So I'm not going to be cutting up like these tickets. Instead, I'm just going to fold them and use a paper clip to secure it to the pocket so that I can go ahead and use them at a later time if I wish. And then grabbing a bunch of random ephemera pieces and cards and bookmarks and things that I have from our Letters to Santa video, I'm just going to be tucking this into the pocket wherever I think it looks nice. And then taking our number for today, I'm going to be using a spare bit of brown craft paper and just giving it a bit of a border by gluing it down and cutting around it. And then again using a paper clip to secure it down to the top of the page. And because I felt like there was a little too much blank space, I decided to add one more tag to the back to sort of fill that up. So I'm just using this gift card tag that comes with our North Pole Letters scrap pack. And that is going to finish the project. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!